So children, in asexual reproduction, next topic we are going to discuss is fragmentation. Try to understand, children. So what are the asexual reproductions we have studied, children? We have studied about the fission, we studied about budding, we studied about regeneration, we studied about spore formation. Of course, in plant, we studied even vegetative propagation. Now coming to fragmentation. Fragmentation is a type of asexual reproduction which occurs in spirogyra. Spirogyra in 9th class you have studied, children. It is also called as pond scum or pond silk. It is called pond scum or pond silk. Okay, children. So it's a green color, children. If you go to ponds or lakes, you will see green things floating on the edges of the walls. That is nothing but spirogyra, children. If you stamp on it, it will be slippery. It causes slipperiness of lakes and ponds, tanks. The green color thing, that is only spirogyra, children. Okay. So the spirogyra, if you see the structure, it looks like this. It is a unicellular, but many nuclei will be present. It is a unicellular, but many nuclei, and each one is called fragment. This is called fragments. Okay. And if you see in 9th class, you study the chloroplast structure in spirogyra is ribbon-shaped chloroplast is present. Ribbon-shaped chloroplast is present with the pyrenoids. These are pyrenoids, starch granules, children. These are called pyrenoids. Okay. Structure is not important for us, children. How does the asexual reproduction take place is very important for us. So coming to the spirogyra, children, actual sexual reproduction occurs by conjugation, that is different, children. But we are studying asexual reproduction, fragmentation. Accidentally, if you stamp on it, or some organism is coming and trying to attack it, okay, if it breaks into some of the fragments, okay, let me say it is breaking into fragments. If half of the fragment is broken, nothing will happen. If fragments are there, one fragment can give rise to entire organism again. One fragment can give rise to entire organism. One fragment can give rise to entire organism. So each fragment of a spirogyra, can give rise to entire spirogyra. New organism is coming, new organism. That's why it is called asexual reproduction. Reproduction means new organism is coming. Asexual because single organism is involved. Actually, sexual reproduction occurs in spirogyra by conjugation, children. That you study in higher classes, 11th and 12th classes. But in 10th classes, sexual reproduction in spirogyra occurs by fragmentation. Again, I'm saying accidentally, if some of the fragments are broken down like this, each fragment can grow into entire spirogyra. Since new organism is actually it is not reproduction, it is a repairing mechanism. Then why are you studying in reproduction? Because new organism is coming. And why it is asexual? Because single organism is involved. No male and females are involved in that. No positive and negative traits are involved here. Okay, children. Since from fragments the entire organism is coming, it is called fragmentation. Fragmentation is nothing but we can say seriously it is a regeneration, children, because of the presence of totipotent cells. Totipotent cells are proliferative cells which can develop itself into new organism. Fragmentation and regeneration are one and same. But why we are saying fragmentation means if fragments are there, only new organism will come. If half of the fragment is there, new organism won't come, children. If half of the fragment is there, new organism won't come. Remember, so one fragment is there, at least one fragment or two fragments, then entire organism will develop. That is called fragmentation, asexual reproduction in spirogyra. Okay, children. So, anyone have any doubts? You can ask.